glazed potato chips. Bet you can't eat just one.
Have you ever stopped for a moment while opening a simple packet of chips and thought about the incredible journey hidden inside it? That small, crispy slice that you eat in seconds actually goes through months of planning, farming, engineering, quality control, and advanced food science. And today, we are going to uncover that entire journey in extreme detail, from soil to shelf, from farm to factory, and finally to your hands. How does a simple potato transform into one of the world's most famous snacks, Lay's? Let's begin this incredible journey, step by step. Everything starts far away from factories, in large agricultural fields where the foundation of this entire process is built. Farmers don't just grow ordinary potatoes for this process. Special varieties are selected after years of research. These potatoes are chosen based on their internal structure, starch level, moisture content, and physical durability. Because not every potato is suitable for chips production. Some are too soft, some have too much water, and some break during frying. So only specific seed potatoes are used that guarantee consistency. The soil where these potatoes are grown is also not random. It is tested repeatedly before planting. Experts analyze its nutrients, moisture levels, and mineral composition. Only then is it approved for cultivation. Once planting begins, the journey officially starts. But this is not a simple plan and forget process. It is constant monitoring. Farmers and agricultural engineers work together using modern systems. Satellite imaging is sometimes used to observe crop growth. Weather forecasts are continuously tracked. Irrigation systems are carefully controlled so that plants receive exactly the right amount of water. Even the fertilizers used are not random. They are precisely measured and applied at different growth stages. For the next 3 to 5 months, these plants grow under constant supervision. Every stage matters. From germination to flowering to final maturity, each phase determines the final quality of the potato. If even a small disease appears in the crop, it is immediately treated or isolated. Because one contaminated batch can affect thousands of kilograms of production later. When the potatoes finally reach maturity, harvesting begins. This is another highly advanced process. Modern harvesting machines enter the fields and carefully extract potatoes from the soil. These machines are designed in such a way that they minimize physical damage, because bruised or cut potatoes cannot be used in chip production. After harvesting, potatoes are immediately sorted in the field itself. Large debris like soil clumps, stones, and damaged potatoes are separated. Then the selected potatoes are loaded into large transport trucks. But even here, care is taken. Temperature and ventilation are controlled to avoid spoilage during transport. Now the journey moves from farm to factory, where the real transformation begins. As soon as the potatoes arrive at the processing facility, they go through one of the most important stages: inspection. Advanced scanning systems and trained quality control teams examine every batch. They check size uniformity, surface defects, internal structure, and overall suitability. Potatoes that are too small, too large, greenish, or damaged are immediately rejected. Only a small percentage of total harvest passes this strict selection process. This is because consistency is everything in large-scale food production. Every chip must look and taste identical regardless of where it is produced or consumed. After selection, potatoes move into the washing system. This is not simple rinsing. It is a multi-stage cleaning process. First, high-pressure water jets remove surface dirt. Then rotating drum washers scrub the potatoes gently but effectively. Finally, they pass through inspection points where any remaining debris is removed manually or mechanically. Cleanliness is extremely important because any dirt or residue can affect flavor, hygiene, and safety. After washing comes peeling. Potatoes enter high-speed peeling machines where they rotate rapidly against abrasive surfaces or steam-based systems. The skin is removed within seconds without damaging the inner structure. The peeled potatoes are then inspected again. This second inspection ensures that no skin fragments or defective potatoes remain in the batch. Next comes one of the most critical stages, slicing. Potatoes are fed into precision slicing machines, equipped with extremely sharp stainless steel blades. These blades cut potatoes into ultra-thin, perfectly uniform slices. The thickness is controlled at a microscopic level because even a slight variation can affect frying time, texture, and crispiness. If slices are too thick, they will remain soft inside. If too thin, they may burn during frying. So this stage is all about precision engineering. After slicing, the potato slices go through another washing stage. This step removes excess starch from the surface. Why is this important? Because starch affects how chips behave during frying. Too much starch causes sticking, uneven cooking, and poor texture. After washing, the slices are partially dried and moved toward the frying section. Now comes one of the most exciting transformations in the entire process. The slices enter a continuous frying system filled with carefully controlled hot oil. Temperature is not random here. It is maintained at an exact range so that every slice cooks evenly. Even a slight temperature change can affect the final product quality. As the slices move through the fryer, something amazing happens. They gradually lose moisture, become firm, and slowly transform into golden, crispy chips. This transformation takes only seconds, but it is backed by years of food science research. After frying, chips are immediately removed from oil to prevent overcooking. Excess oil is drained using high-speed vibration systems and air blowers. Then the chips move into cooling conveyors where air circulation brings them down to the right temperature. Cooling is important because hot chips cannot be flavored properly. If seasoning is applied too early, it will not stick evenly. Once cooled, chips enter the seasoning drums. This is where flavor is created. Large rotating drums tumble the chips gently while powdered seasoning is sprayed or sprinkled evenly. The goal here is uniform coating. Every single chip must carry the same amount of flavor. Different recipes are used depending on the flavor type. Some are salty, some spicy, some cheesy, and some regional variations designed for local taste preferences. After seasoning, chips go through a final quality check. This includes checking crispiness, color consistency, flavor distribution, shape integrity. Only perfect chips are allowed to move forward. Now comes packaging. Chips are automatically weighed and filled into packets using high-speed packaging machines. But here is a very important secret. Before sealing, packets are filled with nitrogen gas. This is not for taste, but for protection. Nitrogen prevents oxidation, keeps chips fresh, and protects them from breaking during transportation. Then, packets are sealed airtight and labeled. After packaging, products are stored in warehouses before being distributed worldwide. Millions of packets are produced every single day across multiple factories, each one following the same strict quality system. From here, trucks and delivery systems carry them to supermarkets, shops, and stores across cities and countries. And finally, after this long journey of farming, engineering, science, and precision, they reach you. A simple packet in your hand is actually the result of months of agricultural work and seconds of high-speed industrial transformation. And that is the hidden story behind every bite of Lay's. So the next time you open a packet, remember, you are not just eating chips, you are experiencing a journey that started from soil and ended in perfection.